nearest 10. Okay, nearest 10 means write a program to return nearest 10 multiple of any given number. Input is read a number. Output is print 10 nearest 10 multiple number. 22. Previous 10 multiple is 20. Next 10 multiple is 30. What is the nearest means 20 only. If you provide 128, previous 10 multiple is 120. Next multiple is 130. But nearest is 130 only. That is our requirement. Depends on last digit, we can go to forward or backward. Last digit means 22, last digit is 2. 2 nearest is 0. That's a 20. That's a previous. In case 26, nearest is 30. Depends on last digit. If last digit less than 5, go to previous. Greater than or equals to 5, go to forward. Okay, I want to write this program using Python. First, I want to take a number, n equals to int of input of. First, I want to find the last digit. If you want to find the last digit, modulus 10. 22 modulus 10 means 2 only. 128 modulus 10 means 8. Depends on last digit. If d less than 5. For example, 22. What is the digit? 2. 22 converted into 2. But our remainder is 2. 22 minus 2 means it is 20. That's why n equals to n minus d. If less than 5 means, in case 54, what is the last digit? 4. 54 minus 4 means it is 50. That's why you can subtract a remainder from the given number if it is lower value. In case if you provide 78, 78 means what is the last digit? 8. 8 is greater than 5. 78 converted into 80. How to convert 78 into 80 means 78 plus 2. But what is our remainder? 8. 10 minus 8 means 2. For example, 96. What is the remainder? 6. What is the nearest? 100 only. Then go to forward. 96 plus 4. But what is our remainder? 6. 10 minus 6 means 4. That's why if it is higher than greater than or equals to 5, n equals to n plus. Then give me our line 10 minus our remainder. That's all. Print n. Then you can check the out. Okay, 100% it is work. Okay, previous అయితే మైనస్ డిజిట్ రిమైండర్ తీసేస్తారు పోతుంది ఫార్వర్డ్ అయితే 10 మైనస్ రిమైండర్ని యాడ్ చేయాలి